Hi, welcome to another video, 30minutetrade.com. Here I recommend the stocks for on a daily basis and as well as the weekly basis. So I will review all the stocks that I recommended, how they are performing, and how it is, moving forward, and what are the when to avoid, when to buy, when to sell, all those things that I recommended on the day to day and as well as weekly basis. So I do a lot of hard work on this to recommend you. I have the 17 years of experience on stock trading. So I follow different strategies to filter a lot of things and give the optimal and very good stocks recommendations. So you can pick any of those things to get the profit for you. So here are the things that I recommended early of this week. On Sunday, I posted some of the things and that gave a lot of profit. And so we will go to the today's list of the stocks that I am recommending. Okay, let's jump into the stocks. Okay, here are the stocks that I recommended yesterday. Let's go over those ones so that we will know how it performed and we will review it. So according to then we will jump into the other one. Okay. Here BXV and BVXV. As I told you yesterday, so today is the Thursday, so I won't initiate any of the positions today because most of the Thursdays I think the profit taking that I normally do because on Fridays are mostly selling. Most of the people will sell. So because this is my observation. So I don't want to lose all the profits, so I will take the profits. So today only taking the profits. Mm, this BVXV yesterday recommended still is in uptrend. If you go to the weekly, still is in the top of the earlier high on top. So it might oscillate here, or if it breaks out here, I will initiate the positions. So REKR I recommended is this week and it gave a lot of profit on this one. So it started from here. I recommended earlier for this one, then it jumped down. Yesterday it was almost 20% total week. So I took the profit around this area because and also I took the profit, some of the profit here also on today early of this morning session. So MTEM is also biotech, and I recommended. I didn't initiate, but I recommended this one. Um, so still in MTEM, this is very good uptrend, and it is in the earlier top. I hope it will break out this one and will go from here to 3040, but I will wait until might be tomorrow. It might pull back here. I will see the low entry point. ENPH also I recommended, and today I took the half of the position profit. So I will wait until tomorrow how it performs. So end of the tomorrow I will initiate again some more positions. Kure also I recommended yesterday. This one also, this is still in the range. So we will see. Might be tomorrow or something like that. So Zami, I took the profit, little bit profit here, and I will see this still in the buy range. ARDX also today, I think it performed nothing, so still in the range. So we will see how long it takes. I think might be next week. I think it gives the another good entry point. NPTN also it's went fine today and still in the buy range. So yeah, might be tomorrow. I think I will initiate this one. Splunk is a big stock, so 154. So and this is one of the leading stock. And if you want to initiate the options, this is a good one, I think. So and also is very good cup with handle. Still is in the buy range. SEC exchange internet. So it is trying to pull back here, and it's very low price stock. So I recommended yesterday, but the people are taking profit still in the range. So I will wait from some more days to initiate. NVIDIA, I think still in the buy range, and the last 4 days is still up on the range. So tomorrow I think might little pullback. We can expect some selling. So that time we can enter the position. So these are the 11 stock I recommended yesterday. So let's go to the today's ones. Okay. Um, I'm putting everything together in the weekly ones. Let's go one by one. How it how it is acting today. Might be tomorrow, I think. So Neo is one of the biotech diagnosis research. It's in uptrend, and it's forming the range. If you see closer, it is forming the range. So if it is trying to break out from here, so come to the weekly chart, daily chart. It's very cup with the handle. So one more handle. So I'm thinking it will go again, and it is supporting the 10-day line very well. So I hope it will go here. Let's go to the some fundamentals here. So I do mostly fundamental as well as the technical analysis before initiating any position. So I do all the research beforehand so that you don't need to worry about all these things. So let's go to the fundamentals. So let's see, you'll get some idea. See the EPS this year is the 137.9%. EPS next year is the estimated is the 33.57%. So this is very good. And next EPS next 5 year they are estimating, and also sales also increased a lot. So it is consistently for the last 5 years is 33%, and also sales also are increasing quarterly, is quarter by quarter is 51%. So these are the fundamental things that you can look at. So every stock has some kind of a different fundamentals, so that is projecting to the towards up. So if you see here performance this week, performance this month, this quarter, this half year, and this year 98% increase. So it's very good. And also beta is also okay. And also if you see the institutions, there are a lot of activities they upgraded um, one time, and also they are iterating the buy. So keep on they are increasing the estimation. So and let's go to the REKR. We already seen the how it is performing. It's a very good cup in this handle. Today I took the profit early of this morning. So you can initiate tomorrow. Again here if it comes here 3.6, and you can add your positions. So it might for the next week, I think probably it will go again. The one more 20%, 20% I'm expecting, I think. So let's see. If market is good, I think this will move very fast. FRTA Forterra. Forterra is very good, very structurally going, very good range. Weekly chart, if you see weekly chart, orderly pullback and range, orderly pullback and range is very good. I like this chart. And the building materials, if you see here daily chart, you can enter today also, I think. So tomorrow I will wait until tomorrow, because if market is not good, it will give some good entry point tomorrow to initiate any positions. So let's go to the fundamentals. Fundamentals, see if it is EPS next year is the estimating 420%. It's super, it's really awesome. Next year is they are estimating, so APS past 5 years is 37, that is consistent. So this is EPS quarter by quarter also 300%, 4%. So fundamentally this is very good. And also if you see the for the last 1 year 159% increase, half year 122, so quarterly 70, 71. So if you look at this, fundamentals are very strong on the stock. And also recently some Goldman Sachs upgraded the stock from sell, a lot of selling earlier, now it is in the buy zone. So the momentum is happening. Okay, let's go again. ENPH. ENPH we already looked at. I recommended earlier this week, sorry. Still it is going upward. So tomorrow I think I will initiate one more entry here, and let's see how it goes. HZNP, this is also biotech, healthcare, drug manufacturer. I like this stock also. This one, see if you see weekly, it's very good cup with the handle, and is still in the uptrend. Is going very good, very stable kind of a movement. If you come to the daily chart, this is the range, and pull back again range. This is again upward. Then again it will go the range. So probably I will initiate either, so might be next week, I think. Expecting to go up. If you go to these fundamentals, which is ENP. So your EPS this year is 77%, and for the last year, sales year for the last 5 years is consistently 74%, means on average it's very good. And also if you see the performance this year 69, quarterly 4 to 54%, so monthly it is, these are the fundamentals. I think you can look at it, I think so. So EPS is good, and a lot of upgrades recently, different from different institutions. So I like this one of the leading stock. Sienna medical healthcare, medical devices. If you go to the weekly ones, its orderly is very consolidated for the last 1 year. So it stabilized a lot of from here. I think it's trying to go to the uptrend. So it started just now. So this is a good entry point here, Sienna, and a very low price. We can expect here until this year almost 30, 25 easily. So let's see how it goes this year. And if you see here, range, again one more range in the daily chart, range. So range above range is very good. Technically it's very strong stock, as per the O'Neill, how to make money stock in stocks. So he always look at this kind of a chart before entering any position. So this is awesome stock. Let's go to the fundamental. here EPS next year is they're estimating 42%, and sales quarterly 32% and 37 is the EPS. So this is a quarterly, they're very stabilized one. And if you look at this of yearly, so last quarters, I think a few quarters it is performing very well, and also people from the institutions upgraded for the last 2-3 times. So I think this will give the good profit um, either this week or next week. So NVIDIA, you already know, is very popular stock, still in the range, is consistently going upward. You see, semiconductor is a leading sector right now. This is one of the leading stock in that one. So let's see how it goes. So if you see here, it went from almost 600% from here. Then again, it started. Now, if you want to buy any options, this is a good time to buy. So these are the 7 stocks that I'm recommending today. So you can use your conscious and execute the positions. So don't enter tomorrow morning itself, but enter at the end of the day, so that you will get the best entry point. And if you see my this week recommendations, most of the stocks are performing well. Perry, Rekor, 7 point. These are really good. Some of the stocks I recommended yesterday or something like so. I put everything in one list so that you will get idea how it is. You will see the dates here, and this is the PESI. If you want to avoid, you can avoid right now. This is not a any. I also told you yesterday, so better avoid this one right now. Read it. Exam also you can avoid. This is not a. So always remember only 5% before for your buy point. If it goes below 5%, then it's better to avoid. So then you're not in the right stock and the right time. That's what. Please keep remember that one. Okay. Yeah, that's all I think today. So keep watching, and I will give the more updates. If you like this one, please click the like button in the below of this video. If you want, you can subscribe it so that you can get the latest updates and the latest videos what I'm recommending. And also I will post all the videos and what are the stats and the market updates, everything in the 30minutetrade.com. So please recommend anyone so that you are helping yourself as well as the others also. So I just wants to make everyone make rich in stocks. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching. Happy trading.